Your vehicle and all cars and light-duty trucks sold in the United States since 1996 come equipped with a check engine light in the dashboard that alerts you when there is a component failure or potential system malfunction, which may cause your car to emit excessive pollutants. In the 1970s, the U.S. adopted the Clean Air Act, which mandated that vehicle manufacturers develop more efficient, lower-emission producing vehicles. In years since, the Clean Air Act has been updated and revised, calling for more stringent emissions levels and onboard diagnostic systems that ensure the stricter emissions limits are being adhered to throughout the vehicle's useful life. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, is charged with implementing the Clean Air Act, including compliance testing new model vehicle emission levels and establishing standardized diagnostic requirements for onboard vehicle computers. The EPA's latest vehicle diagnostic standards are known as Onboard Diagnostics Second Generation, or OBD2. A car's OBD2 system mainly consists of software designed into the vehicle's onboard computer that detects emission control system malfunctions as they occur by monitoring virtually every component and system that can cause increases in emissions. OBD2 diagnostic software monitors engine and emissions performance whenever your vehicle is operating and illuminates the check engine light if conditions exist that could allow emissions to exceed 1.5 times the level the vehicle was EPA certified for. The check engine light is colored red or yellow, and the light can be labeled check engine or service engine soon, or maybe a symbol of an engine with the word check. Under normal operating conditions, the check engine light illuminates when you initially start the engine. A few seconds later, the check engine light is turned off by the computer. If the check engine light remains illuminated or begins to flash, the computer has detected an emissions-related problem and is letting you know. With a steady check engine light, there's no need to panic. The malfunction does not require immediate attention, but should be addressed in the near future before more serious problems evolve. If the computer detects the possibility of a serious malfunction, the light is commanded to flash on and off while the engine operates. This malfunction requires immediate attention, and you should operate your vehicle only to get to a place of safety. System faults that cause the check engine light to flash could result in serious damage to the catalytic converter or engine. Whenever the computer turns on the check engine light, a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, is also recorded in the computer's memory that corresponds to the fault. Some vehicle problems can store more than one DTC, and some vehicles may have multiple problems that also set multiple codes. Most types of problems that can possibly increase tailpipe emissions will turn the light on, and it will remain on until the fault is diagnosed and repaired. While the check engine light can quickly indicate the presence of a problem, it does not provide specific information about the component failure or potential system malfunction. You or your repair technician can get more detailed diagnostic information by accessing the OBD2 diagnostic trouble code information stored in your car's computer. The OBD2 codes are the same for all cars. The same code means the same thing for a Jeep or a Jaguar. There are additional manufacturer-specific codes that help technicians diagnose other issues with your vehicle, but these manufacturer-specific codes do not turn on the check engine light. OBD2 diagnostic trouble codes are standardized, and all vehicle manufacturers use the same common code list. The DTCs consist of a 5-digit alphanumeric code and typically begin with P, and then a series of 4 letters or numbers. With P codes, the third character in the code typically identifies the emission-related system where the fault occurred. Numbers 1 and 2 are for fuel or air metering problems. 3 is for ignition problems or engine misfire. 4 is for auxiliary emissions controls. 5 relates to idle speed control problems. 6 is for computer or output circuit faults, and 7 and 8 relate to transmission problems. Having this level of diagnostic information available from your computer allows you or your repair technician to do a better job of diagnosing and repairing problems correctly the first time. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair.